Hi everyone. I want to start by thanking everybody that participated in this channel. We have now reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to everybody that has been part of this journey. In this demonstration, I want to show how to import an image onto the canvas in DoubleCAD XT version 5. Although this is a free version, it's still possible to pull in an image into your canvas. Before you get started, make sure that you've saved your image in your folder into a format that can be read by DoubleCAD XT. Here you can see that I've saved the image as a .bmp, a .wmf and a .jpg. You can save it as other formats as well, as you will see just now. So back in DoubleCAD, if I go to Insert and I go to the raster image reference, select this option that says From File. Once I have selected that, I will be able to see the images that I have stored in my folder. Now, if you click on the drop down here at the bottom, you can clearly see all the different file types or extensions that are going to be allowed to pull into DoubleCAD XT5. So I've learned that the JPEG or a .bmp works very well, but you are also able to take any of the other file types. So I'm going to stick with a .jpeg, and for this example, I'm going to use this file that I have already created here. So I can choose any of the images that I've already set up, and I'm going to go and open that. Now you don't see that image, but you first have to create the parameters in which you want that image to be presented. So I'm going to just click here and drag, and I'm going to say that's more or less where I want my image to be, and I just click again. So once you have that, you now have your image on your canvas. If you do not want the outline around your image that you've just imported, all you need to do is use the selector, select the image so that it is active, and then what you need to do is go to this line pattern. This is just to show what kind of outline or line type you want to use on the edge. You can change it to any one of these line types like you want, or you can just click here where it's blank. And if you do that and you click off of that, you will see there is no border around the image. There's also another way. If you select the image with the selector active, you can double click on the yellow dot, or you can just right click and go to properties. Once you are in properties, you will see you will have more options. Then you go to pen, and there you have those other line types as well. And as we said, I'm going to keep this blank, and then I just click off that, and then I know I've got no border around it. Or if you want to have a specific line type as a border, you can then have that. You can now save this template as a PDF, or you can use Bullzip PDF as a virtual printer. Bullzip PDF is a small program that you can install, which will create a virtual printer so that you can convert any drawing that you do here into a PDF, which I would definitely recommend. As always, make sure that you have made a backup of your work. Thank you for watching.